On a shelf in your parents' house, there's a picture of your great-grandpa standing next to a building in an army base in Europe. In the picture, your grandpa is 2 inches tall, and the building next to him is 5 inches tall. If your great-grandpa was 6 feet tall in real life, how tall is the building he is standing next to? If the building was 20 feet tall, how tall is your great-grandpa? So the first thing we need to do is realize that this is a proportional problem, and that we need to find a proportion and solve it. The second thing we need to know is that there's actually two problems here. The first problem is trying to find out how tall the building is that your grandpa's standing next to. So we know that he's 2 inches tall in the picture. We know in real life he's 6 feet tall. So we also know that we find that x equals 180 inches, and it says how tall is the building in feet, so we just divide that by 12 to get it back into feet, and it equals 15 feet. The second problem wants to know how tall your grandpa is if the building is 20 feet tall. So it's a similar setup. We know the building in the picture is 5 inches tall. We know in real life the building is 20 feet tall. And we know that'll be equal to your grandpa in height of inches is 2 over h feet. So we need to, again, get them all in terms of inches. So we got 5 inches over 240 inches equals 2 inches over h inches, your grandpa's height. Again, 240 times 2 inches, that's our cross multiplying there, over 5 inches, that's our dividing, equals h. So we know that h equals 96 inches, and again we want it in feet, so we divide by 12, and we find that h equals 8 feet. So if the building was 20 feet tall, your great-grandpa would be 8 feet tall. The building, or if your grandpa was 6 feet tall, the building would be 15 feet tall behind him.